Hello first class, get ready for today's E.V.S class. As you know, we are doing block 14 Chirpy birds, and today we will learn about the feathers of some common birds. So now here are some pictures of some birds and feathers. Match the feathers with the birds that they belong to. So parrot's feather are of green color. This is the feather of pigeon and this is the feather of a sparrow. Clear students? Now here is a question for you. Question is, what are the functions of feathers? Feathers के क्या function होते हैं? क्यों होते हैं feathers bird की body पे? Students, feathers cover the whole body of the bird. They keep the body of the bird warm and dry as they are waterproof. We can also identify birds as their feathers vary in size, shape and color. I hope it is clear to you all. Now students, tell me, how do feathers help the birds? Why are they there? Let's discuss. Feathers keep the body of the bird warm. Tail feather help the birds to change the direction of their flight. So जो टेल feathers होते हैं वो क्या हेल्प करते हैं? बर्ड की हेल्प करते हैं कि वो अपने डायरेक्शन को चेंज कर सके. दिस इज द टेल feather of an eagle. I hope you understand that. Now it's time for higher order thinking question. Question is, how does a bird keep itself warm? बर्ड खुद को warm कैसे रखते हैं? Feathers covers the entire body of the bird and help to keep the body of the bird warm. Feathers जो होते हैं बर्ड की पूरी बॉडी को कवर करते हैं और इसी वे में वो हेल्प करते हैं कि बर्ड्स की बॉडी जो है वो वार्म रहे. I hope it's clear to you all. Now please open your content book. Lesson number 3, different kinds of feathers. Birds have feathers of different shapes, sizes and colors. Feathers are soft and light. They help keep birds warm and dry. जो feathers होते हैं वो birds की body को dry भी रखते हैं और warm भी रखते हैं. They also protect birds from wind, rain and snow. In most kinds of birds, feathers help them to fly. So ज़्यादातर birds में feathers जो होते हैं वो क्या help करते हैं? Birds को fly करने में help करते हैं. A crow has small feathers. A peacock showing its feathers. You can see in the picture. Feathers of a parrot are green. Feathers of a sparrow are light brown. Now these are your keywords: flight, warm and waterproof. You have to write these keywords in your notebook. Now please open your worksheet. S3, feathers of birds. So first question is, draw a bird with feathers. आपको एक bird draw करना है जिसके feathers हैं. You can draw a sparrow, a parrot. So you can draw any bird that you want to draw. Next question is question number 2. Match the name of each feather with the bird at it might belong to. आपको हर एक feather को उसके bird से match करना है. Clear? So black feather is belong to crow and peacock's feather is this. Next question is question number 3. How do feathers help birds? Feathers कैसे help करते हैं birds की? Feathers cover the whole body of the bird. They keep the body of bird warm and dry as they are waterproof. I hope worksheet is clear to you all. Now you have to complete practice question number 5. Name the 3 fastest flying birds. 3 fastest flying birds की name write करनी है. That can be eagle and you have to think and write your answer. Next question is question number 6. Where can feathers be found on a bird? Feathers found on the body of the bird. Clear? On the wings. It can be on wings, on tail. So you have to complete practice question number 5 and 6. Thank you everyone for watching this video.